First, add a button to your breadboard, making sure it straddles the middle line of the breadboard. Connect a positive wire from the right side of the button closer to you to the 5-volt port on the Arduino. Then connect a resistor from the left side of the button, still closer to you, to the blue line on the breadboard, and a wire from the blue line on the breadboard to one of the ground ports on the Arduino. Lastly, connect a data wire from the back left side of the button to port 2 on the Arduino. We'll start in the loop function with an if statement where we'll check if digital read on port 2, which is where we connected the button, is equal to high. And if it is, we'll digital write to the LED underscore built-in, which is the LED on the Arduino board, to set it to high. Else, otherwise, we'll digital write LED built-in to low or off. And now the onboard LED turns on when we press our button. If this video helped you, give it a like.